Common septic tank problems and their solutions. Septic tanks are essential for managing wastewater in homes without access to a public sewer system. However, these systems can encounter issues over time that may lead to costly repairs or even environmental contamination. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are some common septic tank problems and their solutions. 1. Clogged pipes and drains. Clogs in the pipes or drains are common due to debris, grease, or non-biodegradable waste. This can result in slow drainage and sewage backups. Solution: avoid flushing items like diapers, wipes, or grease down the drain. Regular cleaning and maintenance of pipes can prevent blockages. If needed, hire professionals for clearing severe clogs. 2. Leaking or damaged tank. Cracks or leaks in the septic tank can lead to wastewater escaping, potentially contaminating the surrounding soil and water. Solution: schedule regular inspections to identify cracks early. If a leak is detected, the tank may need to be sealed or replaced by professionals. 3. Overflowing septic tank. An overfilled tank occurs when it isn't pumped regularly, causing solids to escape into the drain field. Solution: pump your septic tank every 3 to 5 years to avoid overflow. Install an effluent filter to prevent solids from entering the drain field. 4. Odor problems. Foul odors can occur when the system is overwhelmed, or there are blockages in the pipes. Solution: inspect for blockages or leaks, and ensure the system is well ventilated. Maintaining a balanced bacterial environment can also reduce odors. 5. Slow drainage or sewage backup. Slow drainage from sinks or toilets often signals a clog or system issue. Solution: check for clogs in the pipes or tank. In some cases, the drain field may be oversaturated and require attention. 6. Saturated drain field. When the drain field becomes saturated, wastewater cannot be absorbed into the soil, leading to standing water and contamination. Solution: if the drain field is saturated, it may need to be replaced or relocated. Installing an effluent filter and reducing water use can help prolong the system's life. 7. Tree root intrusion. Tree roots can invade pipes, causing damage and blockages. Solution: plant trees away from the septic system and replace damaged pipes if necessary. Remove invasive trees to prevent further root intrusion. 8. Malfunctioning pump system. If the pump in a system fails, it can cause drainage issues and backups. Solution: regularly inspect and maintain the pump. Hire professionals to replace worn-out parts or repair the pump if it malfunctions. By understanding these common septic tank problems and their solutions, homeowners can prevent costly repairs and ensure their septic systems function efficiently for years. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding major issues. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.